We will test now all EDC flashlights, Olight flashlights. We have about 20 meters to that house. That is my dog. Okay, I put on top of the car a beer can. Okay, let's begin with S10R3. Regular optics with 2 beams. Small, medium, high, okay, the house have about 10 meters length. Small, medium, high. Yeah, pretty good. I like this type of optics. Okay, we go to S1R with okay, wait, okay, now S1R. Small, big, medium, sorry, high, only one area, let's see the can, it's about 7 meters to the dog. Turbo and Turbo S. I'll show you the house. Turbo, Turbo S. Okay, we will be next H1R, a headlamp, but we can use very good as also as EDC. Huge area, small, medium, no, so small, medium, high. Look at the house, I put in the middle of the house now. And turbo mode. It's in the middle of the house, see? Let's not use turbo, let's use only high. Turbo. Let's see the beer can. Yep. These 3 flashlights powered by CR123. All of them rechargeable. Okay. Now let's see. S30R3 regular optics, small, medium, high, spot and flood, and turbo. Crazy bright, this flashlight, everyone loves it. Let's use only turbo, only high. He's sleepy. Okay. And turbo. I like these flashlights very good, very much. Now we go to her sister, S2R. Wait. Okay. Only one area. Small, medium, high, and turbo. Huge spot. Huge. Let's see the can. Small, medium, high, and turbo. Very good, I can read from this distance, about 20 meters. And now let's go to the latest flashlight. Actually it's a headlamp, but we can use it as a EDC as well. We have a huge area, huge. I love this flashlight. We have more than 10 meters, the length of the house. And now it's only high. We have one more mode, but I will use it at first on high mode. We see everything around me. I put it here on the middle of the house, okay? Look on the surroundings. You can see everything. Let's see the can. It's only high mode. Turbo mode. Oh my god. Crazy bright. Very good optic. Very good. Turbo mode. Look how small it is. Crazy dog. Rona, come here. No. It's very hard to see a black dog in the night. Medium mode. About 7 meters to the dog. Rona, vino aici. She doesn't know English, sorry. Okay. Sus. Sus. Sus Rana. She's my crazy dog. I will show you now the HS2, the latest headlamp produced by Olight. We have two LEDs with two different optics. Now we have mixed beam, full power, low power, now it's flood beam or low beam, full power low beam, and now high beam. Very interesting flashlight. I love it. It's incredible small.